All right, welcome back again. So Oyibo Forest. So please, without wasting much of our time, please, I want you to do me a favor, like and subscribe, drop your comment below. So this is another video again. So I don't want to waste much time. I think I already have I have cluster of markup already. I've already do the analysis. So I just want to briefly share with you what I'm currently looking at. So this is currently I'm looking at GBP USD. So let's see. Okay, so now currently what exactly, first of all, I should do usually, first of all, I want to start my analysis from the weekly time frame, or weekly time frames gradually scale down to the lower time frame. So without wasting much of our time, the first thing I want to do in the market is to find what direction is the market really pushing to, what is the strength of the market. First of all, I want to know the direction, the strength of the market is actually pushing to. So looking at GPUSD, I think the chart is a bit clear. I don't know, it's obvious to me, but at least I want to share my idea here, or what I'm currently looking at. Please, I want you to, as long as you're watching this video, please drop your comment, like if it's positive, whatever that is going to contribute to your idea, what you think, or like whatever comment you have, please drop. Just help grow the channels and can help me share it also. So what I'm looking at, basically, if you've been with me on this channel for a while now, you understand my approach to the market. So first of all, the first thing I want to do, I want to be able to identify our direction of the market. So if you can see now, how do we do the identification? This is upward push. We had a push to the up, we had a down push, down push, down push. Now mind you, this is weekly time frame. Most of the time I don't really, it's not necessary I map this structure like this, but what I just want you to understand here is, I just want you to get the direction of the market. Like from year to year we are downward, from year to year we are upward, from year to year downward, from year to year up, down, up. So what you can see now, remember this is a weekly time, so what you can see now, you can see that currently the market is pushing to the upside. Altogether, the current market direction is upward. So what I should be looking for, once we able to identify that the direction of the market is upward, we should be looking for more opportunity of buying. Altogether, let's see this. We should be looking for opportunity to take a buy trade or cash a buy trade from here. But observing the structure from the weekly time frame, what you can see here is, we don't really, most of the time what we do in a market, we trade based on our basic understanding of market structure. Now a market that is pushing to the upside, once we're able to identify that the market is bullish, we want to see our structure in form of creating a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, keeps on breaking structure and pull back. Once price pull back to a level of our key level of demand, we buy from here to the upside. I hope you get what I'm saying. We need our basic understanding of structure. So this is the current market direction that we're working with. So what we're going to do here, we're going to scale down to the lower time frame. So before we scale down, let me map out something. Hold on. Before we scale down, this is the origin of the upward push. Let's see. So let's push it. Let's go to the lower time frame. So let's push. I hope this chart is not as close as you think. Let me remove some few markup here already. So I think this was just a sketch of what I was when I'm carrying up my knowledge, just to at least, I just want to break down. Let me remove some stuff. Let me remove this big position trading. I already have some gray bar here already. I think this is not necessary. Sorry for the time. So I just want to briefly share. I don't want to make this video a long one, but now what I want to also use is I want to ask a question here. Now what we can see here from the now I want to ask a question. This is a general question. Please, if you watch this video to this level, you can like, okay, it's more like me asking for assistance or whatever you can in whatever form. Now this is a structure that I'm currently looking at. Now basically when we view the market structure from the weekly time frame, what we see here is we saw a linear bullish push to the upside. Are we together? Now coming to the lower time, when we scale down to the daily time, what we can see here, we see a structure more like this is swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high. Now from a basic understanding of the market, once we had a swing high here, swing low here, and cause a break or short, what we anticipate a push back to a more discount level altogether, so we can buy back from here. Now the question I want to answer here is, are we going to wait? Remember, this is a daily structural view. Are we going to wait for this market structure to push back to a more discount level, maybe probably if below more, when I say discount, like below 50% retracement? Are we going to wait for this daily market structure to trade all the way to the downside before we look for opportunity to buy? Or, get me, when we get to the next level, we answer the question, are we going to wait for this daily structure to retrace all the way to this level? Or maybe probably as it's retracing, maybe probably somebody has looked for candle, maybe, okay, let's assume at this, let's be straightforward now. Let me assume at this point you are a more conservative trader, you don't want to trade counter trend. So are we going to wait? Are we going to use this daily structure to trade, maybe probably waiting for the market to push down all the way to this level and give us a reversal pattern to buy? Or, I hope we are together. Now you can see the structure here, and let me mark out the daily swing low, significant swing low, so that when I get to the next level, I will know how to okay. Let me change this color. Let me change the color again. Okay. I believe I'll change the color. Hold on. Let me map this zone at. This is daily swing high. The question is, are we going to, the first question, like, it's like we have swing high, swing low, swing high. So are we going to wait for price to push back to more discount level to sell, or we are going to use this structure to trade? Let's go. Or we are going to use, let me illustrate better. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, this is boiled down to, okay, welcome. Alright, alright, now let me see first. Hold on. I think I need to compress zoom and hold on. Let me try as much as possible to accommodate the whole chart so that you get the picture of what I'm trying to explain. Okay, now what we did here was, from the daily time frame, from the daily structure, what we observed was we had a, hold on, we had this massive impulsive push, which had a swing high, come down, create a swing low, and we have this impulsive push creating a swing high again. Now the question is, as I've said earlier before, are we going to wait for this retracement to push down all the way to this level, maybe probably a discount level, to buy in, or closely observe, I hope we are not losing track. Now if you close it up, that this is a major structure on its own. We are on the 4 hours time frame now. Now this is a structure. This is 4 hour structure. We have swing high, swing low, break of structure, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, pull back. So the question here is, are we going to trade with the 4 hour structure, or we are going to trade with this structure? That is, meaning our trend is going to be, now remember this is a major swing point. So are we going to follow this structure to trade? Like, what is it called? Are we going to follow here, which is here will be our swing high, swing low, which is our swing high, swing low. Maybe I should have taken it from here. Swing high, swing low, swing high. In other words, meaning we are going to wait for price to retrace to. Now if you can see that this zone are very close, are we going to wait for this price to tap in here? That give us correction to the upside, or come here give us the upside. So which of this structure do you think is more preferable? Should we trade with the 4 hour? Now if you are going to trade with the daily time frame, daily structure, meaning you are going to ignore this level because currently it's at the premium and you don't buy for premium. When you wait the price push. Now which of this structure do you think is more preferable to trade? Are we trading with the 4 hour structure, or we are using a daily time frame to trade? Please drop your comment below, please. I just want, as long as you're viewing this video, like this is the question, think about it and drop your comment. Thank you and peace out. I'll be really grateful for every contribution you drop.